All right, let's start again. Okay, hey Alex.
Hey Johan.
So we are just choosing a showcase of what Welder actually can achieve. I'm recording with DSLR connected through Elgato CamLink in Full HD. It's Sony A6400. Yeah, that's it. And mic is is BlueYeti. We are using echo cancellation, even if we are using our headphones, so the sound is not sharpest, but it's the simplest way to do things. What about you, Alex? What are you shooting with?
I'm using my phone. I think it's Samsung Note 8. I'm using the Droid Cam app, the paid version, so I get it to Full HD. And my headset, it's like some random Plantronics junk.
All right, yeah. So actually, this is the quality you get out of Welder. The recording is pretty simple. You just log into our dashboard. You sign up first. You log into our dashboard. There is 2 hours for free. Oh, there is 2 hours
What was
for
that?
some aliens. Uh, 2 hours for free. You log in. You create a new session. You join through a link in your browser. You send a link to your guest, and that's it. You can start recording. The recording is progressive right now, so as soon as you end the call and your internet is decent, all the uploading will be done. Then it's going to be processed on our servers, and you can download each file separately and use it for post production in full quality. And that's it. Up to 4K.
Yeah,
You can go up to 4K.
yeah. I have a pretty mediocre internet, and after each call is finished, I have like 90% uploaded already. So I just have to finish the like 5 to 10% usually, and it's done.
Yeah. So that's it. Actually, I'm not sure what to tell more here. This is the demo of Welder. Enjoy it. Try it out for yourself. Bye.
Bye.